What are the benefits of joining an HVAC union? If you are considering a career as an HVAC technician, you might be wondering about the advantages of joining an HVAC union. Let's break down the benefits that can really make a difference in your career journey. First off, one of the standout features of union membership is the opportunity to earn while you learn. Many unions offer apprenticeship programs that allow you to work and receive a competitive wage. This hands-on experience is paired with classroom instruction, making it ideal for those who prefer practical learning. Next, HVAC unions provide structured training programs. These programs combine on-the-job training with classroom education, ensuring you gain the skills necessary to thrive in the industry. This approach is particularly beneficial for adults seeking vocational training, as it aligns with the goals of acquiring practical skills. Another significant benefit is the access to certifications and licenses. Many union programs prepare you for important industry certifications, such as the Environmental Protection Agency Section 608 certification. This certification is essential for handling refrigerants and can greatly improve your job prospects. Job security is another key advantage. Union membership often leads to better job security compared to non-union positions. Along with this stability, unions typically offer comprehensive benefits packages. These packages may include health insurance, retirement plans, and paid time off, making them attractive to individuals looking for long-term careers. Career advancement opportunities are also abundant for union members. With the skills and connections gained through union membership, you can move into roles such as project management or even start your own business. This pathway can be particularly appealing for those looking to grow in the HVAC field. Lastly, being part of a union creates a sense of community and support. You will find a network of peers and mentors who can provide guidance and resources throughout your career. This support system can be incredibly beneficial as you navigate your professional journey. In the context of vocational and adult education, joining an HVAC union aligns perfectly with the goals of gaining practical skills and securing stable employment. It offers a structured approach to learning and career development that many adults find appealing. If you are pursuing a career in heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, consider the numerous benefits that union membership can provide.